Fedora Silverblue and Ubuntu are popular Linux distributions with distinct approaches. Silverblue uses an immutable design focused on stability and atomic updates, while Ubuntu follows a classic package-based model offering broader software compatibility and customization options. Fedora Silverblue is an immutable Linux distribution designed for reliability and consistency. It works by using a read-only root file system, which means the core system files cannot be altered during normal use. Updates are applied atomically, allowing seamless rollbacks if issues arise. This design reduces the risk of system corruption and simplifies maintenance. Silverblue relies heavily on container technologies like Flatpak for applications, isolating software from the base system. Its strengths include enhanced security, stable updates, and a modern approach to software management. However, this immutability can limit traditional package installations and requires adapting to containerized apps. Silverblue is ideal for developers, container users, and anyone valuing a stable, predictable system that minimizes downtime and maintenance complexity. Ubuntu is a widely used Linux distribution known for its user-friendly experience and extensive software support. It uses a traditional package management system with apt and db packages, allowing easy installation and customization of software. Ubuntu offers regular releases and long-term support (LTS) versions, balancing stability with access to new features. Its strengths lie in flexibility, a vast user community, and compatibility with a broad range of hardware and software. While Ubuntu provides more freedom to modify and customize the system, this can lead to occasional stability issues, especially when mixing third-party software. Ubuntu suits users ranging from beginners to advanced Linux enthusiasts who need a versatile system for desktop, server, or development purposes. Comparing Fedora Silverblue and Ubuntu highlights a trade-off between stability and flexibility. Silverblue's immutable design ensures a robust, consistent environment perfect for users who prioritize system reliability and containerized workflows. Its atomic updates and rollback capabilities prevent system breakage but limit traditional package management. Ubuntu, on the other hand, offers extensive customization and software availability, making it suitable for a wide range of applications from desktop use to servers. However, this flexibility can sometimes introduce instability or require more hands-on maintenance. For users working with containers or seeking a modern, secure OS, Silverblue stands out. For those needing broad software compatibility and ease of customization, Ubuntu remains a strong choice. Choose Fedora Silverblue if you want a secure, stable system with atomic updates and container-focused workflows that minimize maintenance and maximize reliability. Ubuntu is the better option if you need flexibility, extensive software support, and a large community. It's perfect for users who want a versatile Linux experience with easy customization and broad compatibility across hardware and applications.